Hi, my name is Bryson Benjamin. This is my poster. It is about a clownfish, also known as Nemo, and its scientific name is Amphiprion ocellaris. Now, this poster will be focusing on how global warming potentially harms sea anemones, which then affects the metabolism of clownfish. So, basically, global warming is the long-term temperature rise of the Earth's climate, and you can see that on this graph, it shows the global average temperature rising, and basically, this is where it lives. It's already in a hot area. Yeah. So, sea anemones have this thing called coral bleaching, which is a sign of stress on their environment. So, let's say their environment goes down a couple degrees, then it'll coral bleach because it's not used to that temperature. So, also, if it raises, it'll coral bleach. So, I can talk about that more later in questions, but basically, it expels some useful organisms for its nutrient production, and if it's prolonged, it will die. And right here, this is a bleaching sea anemone, and this is a live one, which is like colorful. That's the one you know. But bleaching one is going to be white, pale, ghostly white. Yeah, that sort of stuff. So down here is the clownfish's food web. And most of its stuff comes from like anemones, like zooplankton, isopods, copepods. They are like the parasites of sea anemones. And if the sea anemone dies, then those parasites will no longer be near the clownfish's area. So if the parasites and algae and other stuff aren't near the clownfish, the clownfish will have a harder time finding food, and therefore it will like eventually starve. It can't do metabolism, which is like the transfer of food to energy, and eventually it'll die. So, in conclusion, global warming will affect sea anemones by making them bleach, and then it will cause clownfish to start dying off because they won't have a host anemone where they can get a stable diet, and they will die. Yeah. Questions?
When the coral bleaches itself, is it dying or is it trying to
It's a sign of stress, so it's not exactly dying. So it's actually like expelling some organisms that live in its tentacles. So those organisms actually give its color. So I think they're called zoo xantho. I think that's what it's called. Basically, it helps the sea anemone's nutrient production, and when they're expelled, it's like they can't help it do food things. It does this because it's like some theories suggest that it expels it to get more of the same organism or different organism to help its nutrient production again, but in a different environment. So it's like if it's hotter, then it'll expel the ones that are used to the normal temperature and get ones that are used to the higher temperature. The graph is just the global average temperature, and these are the years. It's like the present, and this is how much it's raised by. So, global warming is real.
How long do you think it'll take for the clownfish population to die out if it keeps increasing like this?
So you can see that if there was a hyena chasing a group of prey, the ostrich would escape.
I guess it's mostly dependent on how sea anemones react to global temperatures. So I think if it keeps on raising on this level, by probably 2040 or 2050, it'll probably be at a dangerous level where ocean levels will start increasing drastically, and then all the ecosystems over here will be affected, and then it'll affect The clownfish. So probably around 2050, 2060.
and that gives them a really long stride. So the muscle concentration.
Does the sea anemone, is it crucial for the clownfish survival?
It is.
It is crucial.
Yeah, that one's pretty basic.
Really cool. Okay, so another thing I could explain is like they have caudal fins, which basically it lets them turn faster, but it makes them swim really, really slow. So that makes them susceptible to predators and other things, and like they can't get food easily. They need to get it from like the protection of the sea anemone, and it needs to be like in a close proximity. They also forage a little bit outside of the sea anemone, but they won't be larger. They won't be further than like at least 10 feet, or at most 10 feet.
Does the clownfish, do they reproduce a lot, or do they have a lot of eggs, or?
They have, yeah, they have a decent amount of eggs. They actually have a couple adaptations for like reproduction, which I'm not going to go into, but they can switch genders from male to female. Pretty cool.
What's their survivability rate?
They're not endangered.
No, I mean like, they don't have to be endangered for survivability rate. Like, how many of the offspring survive into becoming an adult or becoming able to reproduce?
I think it's quite a lot actually. They're not endangered. It's like they usually survive well if they have a host anemone. And there's a lot of anemones right now. They're not. Yeah, they're good.
Where exactly is this?
But you know, global warming.
Has part of the legs, like
Yeah, so its
No?
knee, its
Okay.
knee is
All right.
really close.